Are you searching for the best car ramps to make your vehicle maintenance routine easier and more efficient? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best car ramps designed to provide durability, safety, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, these ramps will elevate your repair and maintenance experience, literally. Stay tuned as we dive into the key features and benefits of each ramp to help you find the perfect fit for your vehicle. I put all of the product buying links in the video description. A request to you, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Camco Yellow Drive-On Tri-Leveler. The Camco Yellow Drive-On Tri-Leveler is an excellent tool for raising your recreational vehicle with ease. This product is designed to elevate your vehicle up to 3 7/8 inches, providing the needed height for various leveling situations. It is compatible with a wide range of tires, ensuring versatility and making it suitable for different vehicles. The Drive-On Tri-Leveler is built with a strong design that allows it to handle a load capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, making it capable of supporting most recreational vehicles. It includes a durable and non-slip surface, which contributes to vehicle stability and ensures safety during usage. Additionally, the built-in handle makes it convenient to carry, position, and store, enhancing its portability and ease of use. Its thoughtful design offers convenience for users who need adjustable height for leveling and maintenance. Constructed with durability in mind, it is crafted to withstand regular use in outdoor conditions. Whether camping, traveling, or maintaining your recreational vehicle, this tri-leveler provides a reliable and practical solution for safe and effective leveling. Its simple yet functional design makes it a valuable addition to your vehicle accessories, saving time while ensuring your vehicle is properly balanced. Its compatibility, durability, and ease of use make it a dependable option for recreational vehicle owners. With a focus on safety and practicality, this tool is designed to deliver consistent and reliable performance for a variety of vehicle leveling needs. Number 2. BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. The BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set is a practical tool for lifting vehicles during maintenance tasks. This set includes 2 heavy-duty ramps designed to provide a safe and efficient way to elevate cars, trucks, and other vehicles. With a height of 6.3 inches, these ramps offer sufficient clearance for accessing the bottom of vehicles, making them ideal for repairs and routine services. Built to handle a maximum weight capacity of 2 tons, these ramps are suitable for light-duty trucks, sedans, and compact cars. Their sturdy design ensures reliability, while the heavy-duty construction offers durability for long-term use. This makes them a dependable choice for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The set is crafted with a stable surface that enhances grip and reduces the chances of slipping during use, which adds to the overall safety of the ramps. Their strong foundation not only supports the vehicle securely but also minimizes unwanted movement, providing peace of mind during maintenance tasks. Designed for convenience, these ramps are easy to position and store. Their compact design allows for simple transportation, ensuring they are ready to use whenever needed. Whether used for oil changes, inspections, or other maintenance tasks, they offer a dependable solution for elevating vehicles. The BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set is a valuable addition to any garage or workshop. Its heavy-duty build, weight capacity, and practical design make it a practical option for resolving maintenance challenges effectively and safely. This set ensures effortless car lifting for a variety of needs. Number 3. Rockland Solid Steel Car Ramp Set. The Rockland 4-ton solid steel car ramp set is a practical solution for elevating vehicles during repair or maintenance work. Designed to support heavy loads, this set has a weight capacity of 8,000 pounds, making it suitable for a range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Whether used for oil changes or general repairs, these ramps provide a reliable way to securely raise vehicles off the ground. Constructed with solid steel, the ramps feature a durable and sturdy design that ensures long-lasting performance, even under regular use. The overall dimensions of 35 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 9 inches in height provide a stable platform for safe vehicle elevation. Their robust design is built to handle challenging conditions without compromising safety and stability during use. The Rockland ramps are designed for use in home garages, offering a convenient way to perform maintenance without the need for professional equipment. Their practical design ensures that vehicles remain stable and securely positioned during work, making them a trusted tool for both professional mechanics and individuals handling vehicle maintenance tasks on their own. With the ability to lift vehicles comfortably, these car ramps are a dependable option for everyday auto care needs. Their solid construction, high weight capacity, and compatibility with different vehicles make them a reliable addition to any garage. Designed for convenience and durability, they simplify maintenance tasks while ensuring that vehicles remain safe and elevated to a suitable height during repairs and servicing. Number 4. MaxxHaul Lift Car Ramp. The MaxxHaul 6-inch lift car ramp is a reliable choice for safely raising vehicles during routine maintenance or repairs. This ramp set has a capacity of 6,500 pounds per pair, with each individual ramp supporting up to 3,250 pounds. It is suitable for a variety of vehicles, including sedans, small trucks, and SUVs. These ramps are designed with durability in mind, providing a safe and efficient way to lift vehicles off the ground without professional equipment. Their 6-inch lift height offers a comfortable elevation, ideal for tasks such as oil changes, tire checks, and examining the underneath of a vehicle. Constructed to ensure safety and support, the ramps provide a stable base for vehicles, allowing for peace of mind while working. The design includes a strong structure to prevent movement, ensuring vehicles stay securely elevated during use. Their dependable construction makes them perfect for individuals performing maintenance tasks in their own garage or driveway. The lightweight and compact nature of this ramp set allows for easy storage and transport, making it convenient to use whenever needed. The material is crafted for durability, ensuring resistance against wear and tear from regular use. The MaxxHaul ramps offer a practical and effective way to simplify vehicle maintenance. By providing the necessary lift height and dependable support, these ramps serve as a functional tool for home or professional use. They are an excellent option for anyone looking to improve vehicle accessibility safely and efficiently. Number 5. FloTool RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair. The FloTool RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair is a practical solution for anyone looking to perform vehicle maintenance in their garage or driveway. Designed to support a gross vehicle weight of up to 12,000 pounds, these ramps are a dependable option for handling a variety of vehicles, from sedans to trucks. Their ability to accommodate low-clearance vehicles makes them a versatile and suitable choice for different types of automobiles. Built with an extra-wide design, these RhinoRamps provide enhanced stability and a larger surface area, ensuring that vehicles stay balanced and secure while elevated. This makes them ideal for tasks such as oil changes, inspections, or undercarriage checks. Crafted with durability in mind, these ramps are sturdy and designed to withstand regular use without compromising safety. The ramps are engineered to reduce slippage, making them reliable for consistent use. They remain firmly positioned on the surface, allowing vehicles to be elevated with increased confidence. Whether working in a home garage or on a driveway, these ramps provide a straightforward way to lift vehicles with ease. Their lightweight design makes them easy to store and transport, adding to their convenience. Despite being lightweight, they maintain a robust structure capable of supporting vehicles effectively. The FloTool RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair is a practical addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. Whether for professional purposes or home use, these ramps ensure that vehicles are elevated safely for easy access during repairs or regular upkeep. Their reliable design, stability, and weight capacity make them a valuable tool for simplifying maintenance tasks. We believe that you like our best car ramps. A request to you, a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel. In the comments section, tell me which car ramp you liked. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. Hope to see the next video. Take care.